Hi guys, Almin here from Minky's Kitchen, and today we're going to be making delicious vegan white chocolates that's fit for any occasion. This white chocolate contains no refined white sugar and is sweetened with delicious honey, and I chose Boyne Valley honey as my choice of honey for today. It also contains chopped nuts, and the base of the recipe is actually made from cashew nuts, hazelnuts, and a few peanuts. And then there's also vanilla to flavor. So we're going to start off by adding 400 grams of cashew nuts, hazelnuts, pecan nuts, and almonds into the blender. And all we're doing right now is we're just making a nut butter. We're going to add into our mixing bowl, we're going to add melted coconut oil, and then we're going to gently mix our nut butter into the coconut oil. I'm going to leave the full recipe in the description below. So now we add our honey to the nut butter and to the melted coconut oil. And then we're just going to start to mix it through thoroughly till it's all nicely combined and you have a smooth and silky mix. And we're also going to add our vanilla to this and our selection of chopped nuts. The chopped nuts I chose for today was hazelnuts and almond, and I also got some sesame seeds in there. So as you can see, this is a white chocolate that is very healthy, and as I said, it contains no refined sugars. Today I'm using my silicone molds for something a little bit more fancy, but as you know, if you don't have the silicone molds, you can always just line your baking tray with cling film and spread it out as a bark and let it sit in the freezer. Once it's set in the freezer, it takes only about 20 minutes. Then we're going to demold it, and then you can present it any way you wish. And actually this recipe is ready that you can eat it directly from the freezer, but if for the reason of it being very cold, you can just give it a few seconds just to warm up outside of the freezer. Hi guys, so here we are. We came to the end of our time together. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and that you're actually making the things that I'm teaching you. If you are making these creations, then you can tag me on Instagram with @Minky's Kitchen. Then I would like to see what it is that you guys get up to. You can also subscribe. I'm going to try and be as faithful as I can to make videos as regularly as possible. So yeah, thanks a lot and see you soon.